This video will show you how to set up a Universal DDE data connection in MultiCharts. Universal DDE stands for Dynamic Data Exchange, a technology developed by Microsoft to pass information between programs in real time. For trading applications, this means you can transfer real-time market data from a third-party program to MultiCharts. You can send data from any software that supports DDE. First, you need to start DDE export in the third-party program. In this example, we'll use Excel. Keep in mind that instructions for enabling DDE export vary depending on the software. To prepare Excel to send DDE data, open Excel and create a new workbook, for example, Book 1, and save it in the Documents folder on your PC. In Excel, go to File, Options, Formulas. In the Working with Formulas section, check the R1C1 reference style box. This will change the cell coordinates format from, for example, A1 to R1C1, which means row 1, column 1. Now we need to configure MultiCharts to receive DDE data. Open MultiCharts and then launch Quote Manager via File, New, Quote Manager. In Quote Manager, go to Tools, Data Sources, Universal DDE, Settings. There are several preset configurations available, but we cannot guarantee their accuracy as third-party programs often change. To ensure proper setup, please refer to the documentation of the program you're streaming data from. For Excel, the formulas for prices and volumes in the Universal DDE settings should be as shown on the screen. Here, asterisk is the reserved placeholder for R1, R2, R3, etc., which represent your symbol names. You can use the Test button to check if data is streaming correctly. Once you change the data in row 1, it will be reflected in the Test window. If everything works fine, click OK to close the window. Then we need to add a symbol. In Quote Manager, go to Instrument Add Symbol manually. Select Universal DDE as the data source. Name the instrument R1. The rest of the fields depend on the symbol you're adding. There is no automatic lookup service for Universal DDE, so you need to enter the correct details manually. Refer to the third-party program you're using for accurate symbol information. To create a chart with this symbol, go to File, New, Chart window. In the Format Instrument window, select the Universal DDE data feed and choose the symbol you added earlier. Adjust additional chart settings if needed, then click OK to plot the chart. Now, every time new data comes into Excel, you will see it on the chart in MultiCharts. That's it. You've now successfully set up a Universal DDE data connection in MultiCharts.